Good day, folks. Welcome back to the Helderberg. Look at that Cape Town sandstone, Table Mountain sandstone, otherwise known as. On our way through towards direction Helderberg Mountains, you see in the far distance the Blue Mountains, looking down at the Proteas below. Let's peep around the corner at Lowry's Pass, straight ahead. Rising up now over the Lowry's Pass N2 National Road. We're panning around Gordons Bay Mountain, looking to our right towards the pumped storage hydroelectric power station located near Gordons Bay, which was commissioned in 1979, now supplying 180 megawatts of power. Launching now from the landing site for paragliders along the N2, headed up towards Lowry's Pass, the takeoff spot up there, looking straight up, sort of towards the middle of the screen, follow the power lines there, and we're going to go out and see what's happening up there, shall we? There we're approaching the green grass of the launch site, the jump spot for paragliders. You can see it's winter, it's so green. Safe parking for everyone up there. The tourists often come up there for pictures, taking photos of the whole of the Cape Peninsula. You can view Table Mountain from there quite easily, as you will see later. Now what we're looking at is, of course, the Steenbras Dam. And there at the summit you can see the remains of the old tollkeeper's house from 1832. Just down below to the left of the highway there is a narrow gauge railway line going from the Strand all the way through to Bot River. Actually it starts in Belleville, but nonetheless it's a single track. And from here, this point along from Strand and through to Caledon, it's only by steam you're going to get there. So if anyone wants to have a look at that sometime, let me know in the comments below. I see our friends from the paragliding club have arrived. They're getting kitted up and ready to go. Way back in 1984, Lowry's Pass Road was widened to 4 lanes of traffic at a cost of a mere 4.5 million rands. Pocket money by today's standards. Ah, look at that. I see the guys are up and riding. There they are in the sky. Let's have a closer look. These guys are all students that are flying at the moment, so I'm not going to buzz them or interfere at all. I don't want to scare them off. So let's stay on their side and have a look around. Where they're going to land down below, that's there to the left. I'm going to come and zoom in on that and have a look at one just in a moment. You will see quite a few of them on my channel. I've made a few videos about guys flying in the Somerset West area. So have a look on the channel and come back soon. I will be filming some more of that as the weather favors it.